Hola amigos, me llamo Joel. Get ready Latin America, the world's premier audiovisual trade show is finally coming to Mexico City for the very first time. This is InfoComm Latin America 2025, and it will be the largest Pro AV trade show in the region, making it a significant milestone. From October 22 to the 24th, the World Trade Center in Mexico City transforms into the hub of professional audiovisual innovation. InfoComm Latin America brings together global brands, trending tech, and thousands of AV professionals right here in the heart of Latin America. This first ever show will feature a massive exhibition floor featuring the latest in audio, conferencing, streaming, VR, and IT, and much more. Congreso AVIXA, it's a Spanish language conference series covering AI, sustainability, marketing, and industry trends. That'll be there. There'll be a bunch of immersive demo floors where you can experience next-gen video and sound, all first-hand experiences. And as always with InfoComm events, the AVIXA Exchange Live will be there. It's a networking hub designed to connect industry leaders and innovators. Now, BZB Gear is extremely honored to be part of this inaugural event. We just recently rebranded, so come check our new look along with all of our new Pro AV and broadcasting gear at booth 75. You can use code BZB75 when registering for those free passes. Don't miss the market's first ever 8K 16x16 matrix switcher, the BG 8K 1616MA. Very proud that this recently won an award at InfoComm 2025 back in June, I believe, back in Florida. So super honored right there. Another 8K product that we have is our new 8K AV over IP multicast transceivers, the BG IP Gear Extreme series. We'll also have our latest 4K video streaming encoders decoders, the BG Stream series, and a new IP serial joystick controller in our 2nd gen Commander unit. Our Swiss Army knife of AV distribution will be there, the 4K VP and VP Pro series of matrix switchers supporting video walls, multi-view, and with the latter, the VP Pro signal extension as well. Lastly, we cannot forget about fan favorite Adamo, aka the most awarded PTZ camera in the market today. This 8-time winner is getting a boost with a powerful 40x optical zoom lens. So very exciting stuff. Come and celebrate our new look and our new gear at the first ever InfoComm Latin America in Mexico City from October 22 to the 24th. Remember, see us at booth 75 and get your free passes with code BZB75. All right, muchas gracias for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to BZB TV for more great content. All right, adios amigos, mi llamo Joel. Safe travels and hope to see all of you guys in Mexico.